A process is not better because it's more complex. It's better because it serves its purpose. Besides, regarding innovation, the process should be simple and easy to manage. Learn the keys with us for implementing an effective innovation process in your company, department, or NGO, from the searching of ideas up to getting results. The course is very practical, since we use a version of the CASE method in which you adopt the role of innovation manager at a fictitious company. This way, you learn by doing through a series of exercises throughout the process that you can easily carry out via the innovation software available for the course. In just a few days, you will be able to implement and manage your own innovation process in your organization.